In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email your daily agenda from Google Calendar. Whether you're trying to stay on top of a busy schedule or just want a little reminder of what's coming up, setting up daily emails with your agenda can make a big difference in organizing your day. Let's dive in and walk through the simple steps together. First, open up your web browser and go to Google Calendar. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to use your Google account credentials to access your calendar. Once you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon up there. This is your gateway to the settings. Give that a click and then from the drop down menu, select Settings. Now you're in the settings page, which may look a bit like a control hub for your calendars. You'll notice a panel on the left with your calendars listed. Take a moment to find and select the specific calendar you'd like to receive your daily agenda emails from. You may have multiple calendars for different parts of your life, perhaps one for work, another for personal engagements. Choose the one that's most relevant for your daily agenda needs. Once you've picked the right calendar, you'll want to scroll down within that calendar's setting page until you see a section called Other Notifications. This is where you can choose how Google Calendar communicates with you about your schedule. In the Other Notifications section, you'll see an option labeled Daily Agenda. Right next to it is a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll be presented with different options for how you'd like to receive this agenda. Select Email. By choosing Email, you're telling Google Calendar that every day you want a neat little summary of your upcoming events delivered right to your inbox. This is a great feature if you find yourself constantly checking your calendar or if you're just in need of a bit more structure in your daily routine. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Google Calendar to send you an email with your daily agenda. Each email will include all the events you have set for the day, helping you get a quick overview of your tasks and appointments. Before we wrap up, remember that you can always go back into your settings and turn off these notifications or adjust them according to your preferences. So tailor it to fit just right for your lifestyle. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide helps you streamline your routine and make your days more productive. Don't forget to check that your emails are coming through and tweak settings as needed to suit your needs best. See you in the next video.